subscribe so that you will not miss any update from this channel. This channel is nothing without your support. Thank you very much.
Welcome to Like Idioms. My name is Birdie, the lazy sleepyhead. My pal, Petey, will also be here to show you his teeth.
Lame duck. It means Politicus Yannikan Sugera Catalangan Kukuas on Parana Mazajavadan Akan Sugera Barakher. Example 1. He is a lame duck president, so it is difficult for him to get things accomplished. 2. We haven't seen a promising negotiation for peace in the Middle East since Bill Clinton was a lame duck president. 3. He is a lame duck leader and is not effective at all. Like a bat out of hell. It means Sangat Sekat. Example. He left here like a bat out of hell. I don't know why he was in such a hurry. Like a chicken on a jitterbug. It means Sangat Sekat, Sekulevitan, Nahikan Settlemanda Mengi Capcan Jack Robinson. Example. If you leave a chocolate bar on the table, Kathy will be on it like a chicken on a jitterbug. Like water off a duck's back. It means Tidak Berpangara Turhita Tikarana Twasikop. Example 1. He always criticizes his friend who always ignores it, so it falls away like water off a duck's back. 2. Criticism falls away from him like water off a duck's back and he never worries about anything. Magpie. It means Orang yang suka membicarakan banyak hal atau mengumpulkan menimbang barang-barang dengan cempedak, terutama benda yang bernilai rendah. Example. I have just found out that Mr. Brown is a magpie. God, shame on him. Make it as a J word. It means Palemjangulat. Example. Example. A boy had taken my clothes, so there I stood, naked as a jaybird. No spring chicken. It means orang muda. Example. I don't know how old she is, but she is definitely no spring chicken. Pecking order. It means Susan and Javelin atau kedudukan. Example. I have not worked there very long, so I don't really understand the pecking order yet. Plate chicken. It means Berdiri, atau menyetir, tepat, berlawanan, dengan, kendaraan, didepannya, untuk, menteahui, sampai, dimana, keberaniannya, hingga, benar-benar, harus, menghindari, kendaraan, melaju, didepannya. Example. Don't play chicken again or you're dead. Are you sure you want to call it a day?